Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows.
Wait, the sheets, because I definitely know y'all can see that we are almost out of gas. But you know what? Since we're out of gas, we're going to do a couple pulls. So y'all can definitely hear how the car sounds. Some pulls on E85. We'll go ahead and do a little 40 roll, to see what's about. Just a little something. But I will tell y'all, like the car definitely sounds a lot different being on E85. Let's go ahead and shift up so y'all can hear me. Gotta make sure y'all can hear me. Nah, but the car definitely sounds a lot different on E85. I mean, I noticed that the cold starts are definitely a lot deeper and louder. I don't know, overall, no check engine light, no issues. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description on what, because I used a flex fuel kit. A lot of people think that I went full E85. But the only reason I didn't do full E85, if people are wondering, is just because fuck, it's starting to rain right now. But I was saying the only reason I didn't go full E85 is because I do travel a lot, and the chances of finding E85 while in the middle of nowhere, I didn't want to take that chance being stuck on the side of the road. You already know. So fuck it, I went with a flex fuel kit. Overall, good kit. Definitely added some power. Last time I was at the drag strip, definitely showed me that I need better tires. I was spending a lot more, and these were actually the same tires that I went with to the last drag strip probably a week before I went flex fuel. I'm gonna just start saying flex fuel because a lot of people might get confused about that. But definitely spending a lot more on the drag strip. I did do a decent burnout, but was definitely spinning. But don't worry. This week I got something special coming. I went ahead and ordered some Nittos to kind of fix that spinning issue, because the weather is pretty decent on Wednesday. Might have a little content for y'all down at the drag strip here in North NC. But yeah, I'll hit y'all back up when we get to the gas station. All right, we are here. We finally arrived here at Sheetz. Only place currently in Fayetteville to get E85. I guess we'll go to pump 14 real quick. There it is. Let's go ahead and put this baby in reverse. And that should be good. All right. Alright, so as y'all see, E85 is definitely a lot cheaper, fucking premium. But as y'all saw when I was driving up here, the car was only about 40 miles, so definitely low on gas. So we're gonna see how much it costs to fill up, kind of basically from empty all the way up on E85, just to see a cost comparison. All right, so we are finally done filling up. So we wasn't too empty. 16 gallons, $38.93. Definitely a lot cheaper than whatever premium would be. So I will definitely say I go through gas a lot faster. So my MPG has been a little bit low at 12.7. So on 12.7 on E85, getting about 244 range. So not too bad, not the worst thing ever. I mean, yeah, you could throw this thing in eco, but what's the fun in that? Okay, so I'm going to be taking y'all through the app. It does tell you which app you can get in on the Apple Play Store, not Apple Play Store, the App Store, and of course whatever Android people use. So it's very simple. You just click on connect. It's going to start scanning. It's going to find it, and then basically it's going to start reading the fuel that's going through your system. And right now I'm getting about 77 to about 78%. It's going back and forth. So that's what it is here in my area at the local Sheets. And I'm going to give y'all a little cold start video of what it sounds like being on E85.